Hey guys, it's Paul's Trading here for day 5 of the Apex Trading Funding Challenge. And today we had a bad day again. Originally we had a good day. You guys can see here, we just took a trade and we made profit on it. And we did finish trading for our original time period. But I did have extra time today to trade outside of my normal time period. So I traded at around 9 o'clock today. Wait, not 9 o'clock, around like 9:30, 9:45, something like that. And we entered a bad trade and we took a big loss, another pretty big loss that we shouldn't have taken. It's fine. Losses do happen again. Although, like I said, my strategy should have a 95% win rate. Been taking a couple L's recently. Taking a couple L's. Which is, it's fine. It's fine. As long as we can bounce back and hit our 95% win rate, that's okay. You guys can see I looked at a bunch of other charts, looked for completely different setups and stuff like that for my other strategies. Like I said, I'm going to be using them. And for this next week, I'm going to try something new. I'm going to only use the new strategies I created. I'm not going to use my original scalping strategy because I feel like I need a break from it. Hasn't been going that well recently. So I'm just going to trade the new strategies. We have, well, at this moment, I might have another one by the time we start trading Monday. At this moment, I have 4 new strategies. We have a 3-legged pullback strategy. We have a RSI stochastic strategy. We have a Bollinger Band strategy. We have an Ichimoku Cloud strategy, and I have an ATR stochastic strategy. I'm going to be looking for another strategy today as well, but I don't know if I'll be able to find it because the last strategy, the ATR strategy, took me a really long time to create. So we'll see if I can make another one. I think I can, but we'll see. But yeah, today was not a very good day. We took one loss, but it was a pretty big loss. That's another reason why I want to take a break from the strategy. You make a mistake, you lose about 5x your profit, which is really big. On my new strategies, you get a 2x for every trade you take. So that's very good. But yeah, basically, I think we'll be fine. I still think next week will be a very, very good week for me. I think I'll hit the 53K goal next week, Friday. I hope. That's my goal. If everything goes well. So, yeah. By the way, guys, I'm sorry I did not post this on Friday or Saturday. I've been really busy recently. So I wasn't able to post the video Friday or Saturday, but I posted it today. Today is Friday's trading, by the way, if you guys look at the date. And another thing is, before I traded my 9 o'clock time frame, the third one that'll pop up after my first 2 that I normally do, I proved to you guys I can't edit the account. Another thing is, if I could edit the account, there's no reason for me to show you guys me taking a loss outside of my normal time frame because I could easily just not show you guys. But yeah, it shows later that I did press edit the account and it didn't let me edit it, and nothing is editable except for like the commissions, which you guys probably don't really care about because you guys can see whatever trades I take. But yeah, that's what happened today. Yeah, hopefully next week be a very good week. I can show you guys, instead of saying minus 700, you guys can see a plus 700, stuff like that. That's our goal. But yeah, that's about it for today. I'll be posting my explanation video of a strategy probably either today if I have time later today, or Tuesday night. I'll post one either Tuesday night or today. Again, I'm sorry, I've just been really busy lately, so I don't really have time to like make videos because of other stuff happening around me. But I do hope I can get some other content out for you guys really soon. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. We're down about like $400. And yeah, I'll see you guys either Monday night or I'll see you guys tonight.